Hi everybody, Brady, the Honest Woodcutter. I just want to make a quick video here this morning. I got to go down to the church and work on my truck. Something in the front end has given up, so I've got to figure out if it's a bearing or a tie rod or both or whatever's going on with it. Um, so anyway, I'm waiting on my buddy to come and take me down there and do some evaluation. And I thought you might want to see a quick cold start of the redmax here. I just got done filing the chain on it and razor sharp. And man, I just love this thing. Anyway, after I was looking at my video the other day, I realized it didn't look. This thing needs the right angle. I realized it didn't. Don't look from the right angle. Anyway, you couldn't see the muffler very well. The muffler mod that Joe did, so I wanted to let you see that, a good view of that. Okay. Gold. She's a runner. Oil's like a porn star too. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna try to.